Welcome. In this session, we will talk about the past paper questions from Plastic Art CUET PG. Now, this is a very interesting question. There is a contemporary sculptor in 1970s who is known for assembling and constructing models and casting them from the industrial waste. Now, the name is Raghav Kanaria. He was born in Anida and has been one of the major one of the faculties at Baroda University. Also, he was the student at the Faculty of Fine Arts in Baroda. He is also the faculty at Walthamstow School of Art in London. Now, his work is basically to have experimental designs using industrial junk and industrial content and then making images. He initially started making earthen pots using the industrial waste, and later on there was use of chiseling, nailing and drilling, and with the vigorous efforts he created this whole structural basis that have been created. He has also been awarded Kalidas Samman and Kala Ratna by Gujarat Kala Pratishthan. His works have been exhibited at many places. Similar to him, there is another scholar, Deval Verma, whose works have been well acquainted. He is a scholar from Indore and has been working with very many industries. Also, his artwork has been installed at the Constitution Museum of India. So, those are some of the unique contributions. The next is, who among the following is known as a pioneer using different culture, different craft media and techniques? So, the correct answer here is Dhanraj Bhagat. He is one of the very important scholars, initially born in Lahore during the time of British India, but later he got the degree from National College of Arts, Lahore. He started working on clay models which are amorphous in nature. Later he worked on wood models, and then after the partition, he settled in India, and then he suggested various art forms using clay, using wood. His art forms actually have a series of evolution from the traditional to we could say the abstract forms of arts which have been given, and he has been given many awards including Lalit Kala Academy Award, Sahitya Kala Pratishthan Award, and then he also taught at the College of Arts in New Delhi. So his works have been well mentioned. The next is, which of the following material is not used as a releasing agent? Now, releasing agent is a mold releasing agent, which is a substance which is applied to the mold so that it prevents the mold from sticking to the surface of the mold, the content of the mold to stick from the surface of the mold. So liquid detergent, oil and liquid wax, all of them are used for this, but not as alum. The name releasing agent simply means whatever you are putting in the mold should be easily separated from the mold. It should be easily released. So anything which would reduce friction would help it. Alum is not the correct answer here. Alum is used for purification purpose. The next question is the correct match. So Somnath Hor, the correct match is women. Now he is one of the major sculptors who has created various figures, and one such is a seated woman which depicts the human suffering. That was a bronze sculpture somewhere in the 20th century, and this was a figure to help people introspect themselves and create an emotional depth. The next is Amarnath Sehgal. Work is Anguished Cries, and this is a work again in bronze to understand or revoke collective cries for despair or tyranny. The next is Dhanraj Bhagat's work of Monarch. Now Dhanraj Bhagat we already talked about, known for his abstract and cylindrical designs on wood, metal, concrete with numerous surfaces and numerous materials he has created. He created a series which was known as Monarch the King in 1960s, and this was made from wood, nail, copper sheets, and this was one of the unique creations of Dhanraj Bhagat. Also his works include the Shiva Dance and Cosmic Man. The next is Ram Kinkar Veg. His important work is Sujata, and this was again a work which was done with cement and laterite, and this talks about a freestanding figure which was inspired by Jaya Appaswamy, and this was placed among the eucalyptus tree without a pedestal, depicting a woman carrying a vessel. So that was a kind of design that was created. The next is the material that is used and the purpose. So chalk, we know, if you want to use chalk, it is for drawing on the wood. So for D, we have 2 as the correct match. Now rip saw is actually a saw which is designed to cut the waste material wood. Okay, so C goes with 1. Fishtail gog. Now this is something, a kind of chisel which has a unique shape from the front, and it is used to carve. So fishtail gog is used for carving the wood, and it is a chisel. Auger is nothing but used to drill hole into the wood. So A goes with 1. So with this we have A goes with 4, which is drilling the holes. So with this we have 4 as the not 4. A goes with 4, right? B goes with 3, and C goes with 1, and so 2 is the correct answer, not 4, right? So here we have the correct answer. Now if you are looking to practice more on plastic art, you have the complete sequence that we have covered for plastic art here. So you can just go on here and check the details. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back on Exam PYQ. At the bottom of the page you will see the contact number. For any information and queries, you can connect back to us. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.